Hello friends, welcome to my channel Teaching Boy. Please subscribe the channel, like, comment and share.
Question number 1. Hindu growth rate is related to option A money, option B GDP, option C population, option D GNP. The right answer is option B GDP. Question number 2. Under which plan did the government introduce an agricultural strategy which gave rise to Green Revolution? Option A second 5-year plan, option B third 5-year plan, option C fourth 5-year plan, option D sixth 5-year plan. Right answer is option B third 5-year plan. Question number 3. The second year plan is based on option A Mahalanobis model, option B Harrod-Domar growth model, option C Vakil and Pramananda Soji Goods model, option D Solo growth model. Right answer is option A Mahalanobis model. Question number 4. The Planning Commission of India is option A constitutional body, option B a independent and autonomous body, option C a statutory body, option D a non-statutory body. Right answer is option D a non-statutory body. Question number 5. Mahalanobis model has been associated with 5-year plan. Option A first 5-year plan, option B second 5-year plan, option C third 5-year plan, option D fourth 5-year plan. Right answer is option B second 5-year plan. Question number 6. Which gave emphasis on removal of poverty for the first time? Option A fourth, option B fifth, option C sixth, option D seventh. Right answer is option B fifth. Question number 7. The period of the 11th 5-year plan is option A 2005 to 2010, option B 2006 to 2011, option C 2007 to 2012, option D 2008 to 2013. Right answer is option C 2007 to 2012. Question number 8. The Planning Commission of India was constituted in the year option A 1942, option B 1947, option C 1950, option D 1955. The right answer is option C 1950. Question number 9. Which one of the following is not correct? Option A first 5-year plan 1951 to 1956, option B second 5-year plan 1956 to 61, option C third 5-year plan 1961 to 66, option D fourth 5-year plan 1966 to 71. Right answer is option D fourth 5-year plan 1966 to 71. Question number 10. In the independence period, economic reforms were first introduced in India under option A Janata Party government 1977, option B Indira Gandhi government 1980, option C Rajiv Gandhi government 1985, option D P.V. Narasimha Rao government 1990. The right answer is option D P.V. Narasimha Rao government 1990. Question number 11. Which of the following is an extra constitutional and non-statutory? Option A Planning Commission, option B Finance Commission, option C Election Commission, option D all of these. The right answer is option A Planning Commission. Number 12. Which is the highest body that approves 5-year plans in the country? Option A Planning Commission, option B Union Cabinet, option C Parliament, option D National Development Council. Right answer is option D National Development Council. Question number 13. Ninth plan in India covers the period of option A 1992 to 1995, option B 1997 to 2002, option C 1992 to 1997, option D none of these. The right answer is option B 1997 to 2002. Question number 14. Economic planning is in option A union list, option B state list, option C concurrent list, option D not any specified list. Right answer is option C, concurrent list. Question number 15. When was the Planning Commission established? Option A, 10th March 1950. Option B, 15th March 1950. Option C, 20th March 1950. Option D, 16th March 1951. Right answer is option B, 15th March 1950. Question number 16. What is the 10th plan period? Option A, year 1990 to 2003. Option B, year 2002 to 2005. Option C, year 2002 to 2007. Option D, none of these. The right answer is option C, year 2002 to 2007. Question number 17. The outline of second 5-year plan was made by option A, B.N. Gazil, option B, B.K.R.B. Rao, option C, P.C. Mohanlal Bose, option D, C.N. Vakil. Right answer is option C, P.C. Mohanlal Bose. Question number 18. NABARD was established in the option A, 4th 5-year plan, option B, 5th 5-year plan, option C, 6th 5-year plan, option D, 8th 5-year plan. Right answer is option C, 6th 5-year plan. Question number 19. The period of planned holiday in India was option A, 1962-65, option B, 1966-69, option C, 1969-72, option D, 1972-75. Right answer is option B, 1966-69. Question number 20. The rolling plan for backward countries was suggested by option A, Gunnar Myrdal, option B, W. Lewis, option C, R. Norcross, option D, A. Samuelson. Right answer is option A, Gunnar Myrdal. Question number 21. The slogan Garib Unnamoolan was given in which 5-year plan? Option A, 2nd plan, option B, 4th plan, option C, 5th plan, option D, 6th plan. Right answer is option C, 5th plan. Question number 22. In which 1-year rolling plan was in operation in India? Option A, 1960-69, option B, 1978-79, option C, 1988-89, option D, 1990-91. Right answer is option B, 1970-79. Question number 23. 20-point program was first launched in the year. Option A, 1969, option B, 1975, option C, 1977, option D, 1918. Right answer is option B, 1975. Question number 24. Who of the following is chairman of the Planning Commission of India? Option A, Pro M. Khusro, option B, N.K. P. Salve, option C, M.S. Ahulia, option D, none of these. Right answer is option D. Question number 25. Who opposed planned development in India? Option A, Mahatma Gandhi, option B, Jawaharlal Nehru, option C, Indira Gandhi, option D, Rajiv Gandhi. Right answer is option A, Mahatma Gandhi.